Kumana na miario ya Minista wa Githomo Amina gatatu ga kiumia giki igie marihi ma ngombo cia githomo maria maheanagwo ni Ruhonge rwa HELB, riu Ruhonge ruru nirugite nirwambikite mitaratara mirumu iria ikurumirirwo hari gutigirira aria mahetwo ngombo ici mari mawira-ini ngurani ni mariha ngombo ciao. Charles Rigera ni murugamiriri munene thiini wa Ruhonge ruru.
We have an obligation also of loan recoveries. It is using that mechanism of loan recoveries and also being able to use the law that we have currently, HELB Act Cap to 13, to be able to enforce what is actually enforceable within that act.
Rigera akiuga matikuhuthira hinya hari gutigirira ngombo ici ni ciarihwo.
What the CS meant by law enforcement is not the police. I think that's where the discussion has been lost. Law enforcement means even people like us. Section 15 of the Act, subsection 2, gives mandate and authority to for the board to form inspectors who will help the board to be able to recover and access also premises of where the students are or the ex-loanees are actually residing.
There is no intention on the part of the government to use law enforcement officers to arrest unemployed youth.
Even if you have taken a loan, you repay when you get a job. But when you are jobless, be assured no one is going to touch you and take you to a police station.
Maya magithiaga na mbere, Kamiti ya githomo kia university ni yugite gutiri university ona imwe guku bururi-ini ikoretwo ikiheana mathomo matakinyanirie ikiro, guku atongoria makiuga kothi ciothe iria ithomithagio university-ini ciothe ni ihitukitio.
We don't in this country have in any university a degree which is fake or a degree which is useless or a degree which is bogus. All the degrees which are offered in our universities are degrees which are offered by competent institutions.
Students, please go on and study and make good of this nation. We are depending on you. You are our future.
Atongoria ni macungite muhera kuri arutwo na aciari kuringana na muhuhu uria ukoretwo ugitheremio wigie kwaga gukinyanira kwa mathomo maya. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.